this video, I'll share 10 good moisturizers that your face needs for the winter season. In winter, our skin loses water at a much faster rate than it would in summer. Our skin's barrier function also becomes weaker than it would in summer. Now, when the skin's barrier function gets weakened, skin loses more water and skin is also prone to irritation, redness, itchiness, dryness, roughness. The first product that I would like to recommend is from 𝗦𝗏. It's the 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗍𝗍 emollient cream from 𝗦𝗏. It has ingredients which can add hydration to the skin. It also has a triple oat complex. Now this oat complex can actually reduce the redness, itchiness and the roughness on the skin. It also strengthens the skin's barrier function. A strong skin barrier means a hydrated skin and a skin prone to less of this itchiness and the redness. And it's got good ingredients like petrolatum which can retain the hydration, stop the hydration from evaporating back into the atmosphere. The second product is from Bioderma Autoderm Cream Ultra. It's got a lot of ingredients which can add a lot of hydration to the skin and retain the hydration in the skin, and it's also got some ingredients which can help strengthen the skin's barrier function. The third one is a Dermaco oil-free moisturizer with the hyaluronic acid. It's got ingredients which can add hydration and some ingredients which can help retain the hydration. For the price, the hydration it adds and the retaining of the hydration, it does a decent good job for that. The fourth one is from the brand Simple, the water gel. It also has ingredients which can add hydration and some ingredients which kind of do an okay job in retaining that hydration. Then you've got the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Now this is a very good one. It's got ingredients which can add hydration to the skin. It's got ingredients which can retain that hydration in the skin quite well. It's got panthenol. Panthenol is really good at calming the skin down, reducing the redness and the roughness that can come in the winter season. It also has niacinamide which is good at strengthening the skin's barrier function. The next one is from Neutrogena, the Hydro Boost cream. Has ingredients which can add hydration to the skin and some ingredients which can help retain that hydration. The next one is the Formula Rex Peptide Barrier Cream. This is a really good one for the price. It has ingredients which can add hydration, retain hydration. It's got ingredients which can actually strengthen the skin's barrier function. It's got the ceramides and peptides which can do that. And it also has ingredients like allantoin which can reduce the redness and calm the skin down. The next one is from Conscious Chemist. It's a hyaluronic lightweight gel moisturizer. Again, a really good one for the price. It's going to add the hydration, retain the hydration to some extent and also strengthen the skin's barrier function to some extent. Next we have the vitamin B5 moisturizer from the brand Minimalist. Now this one is really good at adding the hydration, retaining the hydration. It's got panthenol at a very high percentage, 10%. Now panthenol is really good at calming the skin, reducing the redness and the inflammation on the skin, which is all very common problems in winter season. The final one is from the Hyphen brand. It's a ceramide NMF pillow cream. Again, a very good one for the price. Adds the hydration, also strengthens the skin barrier function. None of the products I've picked in this video have fragrance in them. Now there are some good moisturizer. One that comes to mind is the one from Raquel brand. It's a really good one. And I was tempted to recommend it, but then it has fragrance, so I moved away. So any product, even if it's real, even if it's got amazing ingredients, if it's got fragrance in there, I have removed it from the list. So I'm going to share some ingredients that you need to look out for when you need to buy a moisturizer for the winter season. The first set of ingredients that you would need are the ones that add hydration to our skin. Now these are ingredients like glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, hyaluronic acid. You need ingredients which can actually retain all that hydration in our skin by forming a thin or a thick film on our skin. Now these are ingredients like mineral oil, shea butter, petrolatum, dimethicone. You need ingredients which strengthen the skin's barrier function. Now these are ingredients like niacinamide, ceramides, peptides. Now you need ingredients which can calm the skin down, reduce the redness and the irritation and the inflammation on our skin, reduce the roughness on the skin. Now these are ingredients like your colloidal oatmeal, panthenol, niacinamide, allantoin. A few things that I do want to share, a few tips. And if you've got lotion or gel based products and it doesn't have enough ingredients in there which can form that thick textured cream which can retain that hydration, so what you can do in the night time is use one of those products like that, the gel based ones. Use that in the night time. Wait for about 3 to 4 minutes. After that, apply Vaseline, a thin layer of Vaseline, and go to bed. Try not to sleep on the sides and always sleep straight at the back. Try and do this on a night when you don't have to put makeup the next day because the Vaseline does take some time to come off. But it does a damn good job of keeping that hydration in the skin, you'll actually wake up to a very fine, smooth skin. Another tip is always use a humidifier. If you're using an indoor heater, make sure you use a humidifier. Avoid hot showers. I know it's very tempting, especially in the winter season. Have warm water showers, not hot water showers. And for the face, before you step into the shower, use cold water, splash it on your face and cleanse your face that way. Avoid warm water as well for the face. Now if it's really cold, freezing cold or something, lukewarm is the maximum you can go up to for the face. So no warm water, no hot water for the face. Don't use any products which has got fragrance on it, because your skin is prone to becoming more sensitive in the winter season. So ingredients like fragrance are going to cause damage to the skin. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.